Yesterday in Tamil Nadu, Karur, one of the districts in Tamil Nadu, there was a political rally organized by Vijay and his followers. Unfortunately, there was a stampede in that program. Large crowd was there. There was a huge crowd participated, and 31 people are estimated to be died, which is most unfortunate. In recent times, in any of the political events in India, in any state, this kind of incident has not happened. But unfortunately, in Karur yesterday it has happened. I pray the Almighty, to give peace to the families. I know the Tamil Nadu government will do whatever it is necessary for those families in terms of compensation and support. And I also would like to suggest to them that this kind of events needs to be looked into in terms of security arrangements and so on. No, I don't know anything about the event and organization, security arrangements, all those things I don't know. So I don't want to comment on that. It is not right on my part to comment on those things, from the outside the state. No, that is why, today's event in Tumkur Dasara, we have already taken necessary, security steps. But after that incident, and definitely we need to relook into security arrangements. That's why I have personally come. I have discussed with the district administration and the police department to take necessary steps for all the arrangements. Without the pass in today's program, nobody will be allowed inside. We have already made requests. We have issued passes, probably 7,000 to 8,000 passes have been issued, and only those people will be allowed. And different entrances, all those things, these police has taken steps to make arrangements. Thank you.